Squats are a fundamental and versatile exercise that targets multiple muscle groups and offers numerous benefits. They are considered one of the most effective compound exercises that can be performed by people of all fitness levels. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the proper technique of performing squats and explore the many benefits they offer. Proper technique of squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Keep your back straight, chest up, and shoulders relaxed. Begin the squat by pushing your hips back and bending your knees to lower your body. Lower yourself as if you are sitting in a chair, ensuring your knees stay in line with your toes. Go as low as your flexibility allows, ideally reaching a 90-degree angle at your knees. Keep your weight on your heels, and push through your heels to stand back up. Exhale as you return to the starting position. It is essential to maintain proper form throughout the squat to avoid injuries and maximize its benefits. If you are new to squats or have any pre-existing medical conditions, it is advisable to consult with a fitness professional or healthcare provider before starting any exercise routine. Benefits of squats. Builds lower body strength. Squats primarily target the muscles of the lower body, including quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. Regular squatting can lead to increased lower body strength, making daily activities easier and improving athletic performance. Increases core strength. Squats engage the core muscles to stabilize the spine and maintain an upright posture. This helps develop a strong and stable core, which is essential for overall strength and balance. Improves mobility and flexibility. Performing squats through a full range of motion can improve hip, knee, and ankle mobility. It also helps in increasing flexibility in the lower body muscles. Boosts calorie burn. Squats are a compound exercise that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This leads to a higher calorie burn during the workout, making it an effective exercise for weight loss and fat burning. Enhances bone density. Weight-bearing exercises like squats can increase bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. This is especially beneficial for older adults looking to maintain bone health. Functional movement. Squats mimic the movement patterns used in daily activities like sitting, standing, and lifting objects. This makes squats a functional exercise that improves overall body functionality. Improves posture. Squats strengthen the muscles of the back, core, and lower body, which helps improve overall posture and reduces the risk of back pain and injuries. Hormonal benefits. Squats stimulate the release of growth hormone and testosterone, which play a role in muscle growth and repair. This can lead to improved muscle mass and strength. Joint health. Squats promote joint health by increasing blood flow to the knees, hips, and ankles. This can help reduce the risk of joint-related issues and improve joint flexibility. Mental benefits. Like all forms of exercise, squats release endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Regular squatting can improve mental well-being, reduce stress, and boost self-confidence. Variations of squats. Squats can be modified to suit individual fitness levels and goals. Some popular variations include goblet squats. Hold a dumbbell or kettlebell close to your chest while performing squats. This variation helps maintain an upright posture and engages the core muscles. Bulgarian split squats. Stand a few feet away from a bench or elevated surface and place one foot behind you on the bench. Perform squats with the other leg to target each leg individually. Sumo squats. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing outward. Perform squats by pushing your hips back and lowering your body between your legs. Plyometric squats. Add a jump to your squat to increase the intensity and challenge the muscles further. This variation helps improve power and explosiveness. Pistol squats. Perform squats on one leg while extending the other leg forward. This advanced variation requires strong balance and flexibility. In conclusion, squats are a highly effective and beneficial exercise that should be a part of any fitness routine. By performing squats with proper form and incorporating different variations, you can enhance your lower body strength, improve overall functionality, and reap the numerous health benefits they offer. As with any exercise, it is essential to start slowly and progress gradually to avoid injuries and maximize results. Always consult with a fitness professional or healthcare provider if you have any concerns or medical conditions. Happy squatting!